God. The next performer is a communication specialist and attorney at law. Ladies and gentlemen, here to tell you all about the Blink Church is CEO of the Broadcasting Commission, Cordell Green.
Blink Church, keep it up. Today, I are here to talk about relationship. Some who know, as soon as you start to get involved, you're talking about marriage. But not for who know who are talk about marriage. It look like say who no forget about the mattress and only remember the money. Not for who no man in here don't know how to relate properly to a woman. And before you consult me, you're done that a spiritual leader who know take relationship advice from DJ. DJ who a sing set. Man fi have enough gal and gal in a bundle. Gal from Rima and gal from jungle. When me ask who know where the DJ name who know say Beanie Man. I cannot believe you are taking relationship advice from a beanie man. Even scripture tell you that is not right. Scripture say when the Creator blow the breath of life into Eve, he say to her, Eve, I give unto you Adam. Same time Adam jump up, and the Creator say, Eve, before thou goest unto Adam, learn this, do not eat that tree. That tree right there, don't eat it. It was not made for that. And the two apple them, nobody pick them. That will be painful for mankind. And then he say to her, take it from me as your creator, that size matters. So how can you take relationship advice from Beanie Man? Any man who Beanie and say no about relationship advice, he are a false prophet. He are not sanctified. He are not sanctified because he are not blessed and highly favored. All the man them in you who know that like me, you're blessed and highly favored, say yow yow. All the woman them in you who know say lie them a tell, say ray. Some who know woman in here, especially the one them up so in the choir, who know take relationship advice from DJ, who a sing say, let me love you with my heels off, yay, introduce you to ping pong. When me ask you know what the DJ name, when you say Lady Song, me say she should have named Lady Axe. Because it looked like, say, if you was a big tree, she ready to chop it down. But I say to you, brothers and sisters, do not let worldly and like Saul lead you astray. Do not love with your heels on, because it cannot work. Loving with your heels on is like playing football in a spike heel. Something bound to get scratched up. He who feels it knows it. A 3 week me spend up at the UC Vernity Hospital to resuscitate. Me now hide and talk. After after my girlfriend done love me with her heels on, me go consult lawyer to sue her for assault and battery. The only reason why she get away is because me liar gone to prison. Some of you in here taking relationship advice from singer who a sing say, if you love it, you should have put a ring on it. Ho 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 ho. She a who? She a Santa Claus? When me ask her where she name, who say Beyonce. High whore in shack and whore. How can you be taking relationship advice from Beyonce, a woman who for sister is a man beater? Beyonce, a woman who married to a man named Jez. Jez is a disinfectant. What kind of corruption and not clean out of a relationship? You people don't bother let me get hot up in here. Oh, Hannah, Baba. Oh, Baba, boom, 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 festival, boom, boom. Oi, the service of it done now. I just get a vision from a sister sitting in the third row right here. She says she need me. Sister, let me tell you something straight up. You're looking here at a shepherd who takes care of his flock. And trust me, when it comes to a sheep who wears a frock, me no partial. So meet me right now round the back in the vestry. The rest of you please note, elders meeting usually held right after service. Today it or cancel. I mean no want to see none of who up on the church compound. Sister, meet me now in the back in the vestry. Because you don't know, when the saints go marching in, I want to be in your number.